So here's another set of exercises. So again, please, draw it out. There it is. But you need to solve it out. But also notice that number 2 is asking you to go ahead and code it just to make sure that you're good to go. But other than that, it is a little trickier because there are some sublists to this. And your atom is going to possibly return not just one item. Well, it could return some of the other items that are with it if there is a sublist within it. So we have to be very, very careful about that. So this should show up at least for one of your lab exercises that you have coming. So be very careful about this as well. Go ahead and do the questions. Go ahead and hit pause like it's saying for you to do now. And we'll go back over and answer here in a moment. So here's our answer for the 2 problems. Has inner lists, so it's going to be a little bit more complicated, but bear with me on this. We're still doing exactly the same thing as we go from reverse, from the D, 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 A. So you'll notice we have 3 D's to get there, and then our A is, well, it points to E, but here's the problem. Here's the whole A portion of this and pointer is the whole entire sublist. So can A return an atom, which it did, but can that atom be a sublist? Yeah, it can. So be very, very careful about that. For our second problem, we had a really long care encoder, and I actually broke it back up, but it really was just CADDDR. But in theory, if it would have worked out, depending on your flavor, it should have returned E as your response.